Now, with Switzerland refusing to share information on stolen data, India has now moved to its alternate but not preferred position of providing independent evidence on black money account holders. That's what Finance Minister Arun Jaitley told NDTV on the sidelines of the World Economic Forum meeting in Davos.
Finance Minister Arun Jaitley's day one here at Davos was a packed affair, and he held a number of meetings both with top global CEOs and his counterparts of Brazil and Switzerland. The one meeting that was clearly getting a lot of attention was his meeting with the Finance Minister of Switzerland and the Economy Minister of Switzerland, both of whom came here to the Make in India lounge to hold talks with Finance Minister Arun Jaitley. It's a meeting that lasted over 35 minutes, and India raised concerns over the exchange of information on the big issue of black money account holders here in Switzerland. I got a chance to catch up with the Swiss Minister of Finance right after her meeting with Arun Jaitley. She said that a few good steps have been taken in the talks between India and Switzerland, and that the negotiations between the two countries will reach a good end. A lot of concerns back home in India about getting information on the black money stashed here in Switzerland.
It was a very good meeting. We did a few good steps now, and I'm very confident that we can go to a good end in our negotiations we have with India now.
By when can we expect that there would be some movement forward? Because always concerns are raised about the tax treaties and the fact that India is not getting enough cooperation and assistance from Swiss authorities.
You know, we have our legal basis and we have to respect that, but I spoke with the minister that we are planning to go on with the automatic exchange of information, and I think at that time we will have a good legal basis to answer to more requests than we can do it at the moment.
And by when can we see that happen?
We are now in the process in the Parliament, and we hope to can introduce this new model in 2017.
Finance Minister Arun Jaitley also shared the sentiment of the good progress being made between the two countries, but he also said the Swiss authorities have made it clear to India they will not cooperate or exchange any information when it comes to stolen data. But if India can provide credible, independent evidence of investigations that are taking place back home, Switzerland will cooperate. Share with us details of that very crucial meeting with the Swiss ministers. You had both the finance and the economy minister of Switzerland. It's a meeting that lasted over 35 minutes. We assume India would have raised concerns about getting information on the black money that's stashed here in Switzerland.
Earlier, the concept was that you could stock your money into some bank account in a tax haven and nobody will be able to break into that secrecy. Switzerland has been evolving its position over the years, and therefore Switzerland has been increasingly cooperating with various states. Now, as far as India is concerned, we've been asking them for cooperation. The Revenue Secretary had led a team of officials to Switzerland, and on the 15th of October last year, we had a joint statement which was a statement of understanding. And the Swiss have a clear position that we will not give you any information on basis of the stolen data.
Right.
So if you come to us with stolen data, we don't recognize that, we will not cooperate. Our position now is that in case, that's our alternate position, not our preferred position, we are able to give you independent evidence.
Right.
Independent of the fact that their names of these people are contained in that list. So on basis of this independent evidence, will you give us the detailed information? So the 15th October arrangement was that yes, they would do it, and they would do it expeditiously. Now, in continuation of that agreement, I've had a detailed meeting with them today as to what could be the parameters of that independent evidence. Of course, I'm in no position to disclose it to the media. Our tax officials are working around the clock. They are trying to finish all the assessments. They are trying to collect evidence. There are several people who have admitted the fact that they have accounts in that list. Now, there is some independent material available. So we have to come back to them with that material on basis of which we can get
And they were short cooperation then.
On that, if we give them independent material, they were short.
They were short
their attitude
cooperation.
has been very positive.